Okay, here's the scenario. VIP event with the Apex Summit in town still on this Friday. We got some kind of VIP shutting down 3rd Street. So we got the last vestiges of traffic getting out of the way. You can see all the traffic on freeway. You can see the security kind of keeping everyone safe, especially the dignitaries. And with the rain, we got a little bit of a traffic nightmare going on. So it's the perfect trifecta. I'm just curious to see who's coming. See? Well, here's our VIP coming up. I bet they're traveling in style in the minivans. That's a motorcade of a nondescript country.